Second microbes we are going to see as the example is bacteria. So mostly bacteria, if you take, this bacteria is one type of microbes. These bacteria mostly in agriculture wise they are friendly to the farmers. But at the same time it has some negative point also. It has some negative attitude also towards the humankind. So for example, the infection which is spread from bacteria like typhoid, tuberculosis, shortly called as TB. So these type of infections, bacterial infections, basic infections from the bacteria. So this one example we can take, which act as a foe to the living kind. Then another one example you take protozoa. Protozoa if you take, for example amoeba, paramecium, then plasmodium. So these type of parasites, amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium, these also the infection causing agents. Mostly you can find this in aquatic areas, inside the water, aquatic microorganisms. So this amoeba and paramecium is used to get infected if it used to spread or infect a living organism in the form of or produce dysentery. The dysentery is mostly used to get created by this amoeba and a paramecium. Plasmodium if you take malaria. So this is the agent or pathogen which is causing the malaria through the mosquitoes. So we are thinking that when malaria is coming, when dengue fever is coming, chikungunya is coming, mosquito only spreading this disease. Mosquito is not the reason. Mainly this parasites, plasmodium, for example you take malaria, plasmodium. This parasites will be there in the water. I already told this is the aquatic microorganism. We are misconcepting that mosquito is the reason for the spreading of the infections like malaria, like other some diseases, fever like that. No. When these mosquitoes are used to get habited on this type of water where plasmodium is available, in that mosquito, inside their body, the plasmodium will be as such. The temperature of the mosquito body is not suitable for the plasmodium to get activated. But when once they used to get transferred from the mosquito to the human body by sucking of the blood by the mosquito, at the time when it get enter into the human body, that time they got their perfect ambience to get activated, because each pathogens having some temperate point. In the temperate point only these pathogens is used to get activated. For example, for us, we are in temperate region. If it is minus degree Celsius means human beings cannot able to activate. If we are at the middle of the desert, we cannot able to be active. So if it is a normal temperate region, we can able to be active. Likewise, each pathogens, they need one temperature medium. They need one comfortable ambience for them to get activated. So for plasmodium, that mosquito is the vector. But they used to get activated when they get enter into the human body. That's why mosquito is not get affected by malaria, but humans are affected by malaria. So these are the basic examples. That's how microorganisms is act as a foe or disaster or antagonist to the living kind.